I'm visible. Hi, it's JeliElizabeth. I don't know if it's even legal for me to be doing this, but I want to encourage you to love up. Love up on yourself. Love up on each other. Just love up in general. Yeah, I just want to come on here and do a quick message while I'm driving. It's a lot going on right now. It's raining. It's getting dark. I just can't wait for the summer. But the message that I want to bring today, and that I felt compelled to bring, is that it's important to deplug. It's important to decompress. It's important to unplug. You gotta get time away from the media sometimes. You gotta get a little bit, which is like impossible because a lot of our jobs and our streams of income involve being in touch with the media, being in touch with current events, being in touch with trends and whatever's going on social media. But you just need to regularly deplug from that. The reason being is because a lot that is in our media is a little zany, it's a little wild, and it's negative. And the images are not, there's not a lot of positivity. So that's going to cloud you and your vision and what you're here for. It does for me. So a lot of times I will totally check out on the media. Whether it be watching regular news, whether it be shutting off the Instagram, the Facebook, not looking at YouTube as much as usual, and just focusing in on myself and what it is that I know that I want to do, what it is that my heart is telling me, and that allows me to make my own accurate assessments of my environment. Because what you see in the media, whether it be the songs that you listen to, what you watch on TV, what you watch on YouTube, the podcasts that you take in, all of that, it affects your thought processes and clouds your thought processes. So sometimes you just need to decompress with that and get in touch with self, get in touch with the soul, because energies are a real thing. Collective energies are a real thing. And sometimes taking in the media, especially if you're an empathic type of individual, if you take in the media too much, then you're going to take that into your spirits, because you can feel that, and it makes an imprint on your soul. So it's definitely a good thing to decompress from that. And when I'm decompressing from the media and from the Facebook, the Instagram, all of that, I just go within myself. I focus on what it is that I want to at the moment, and things that are going to benefit me and benefit my mind. Like, for example, I'm trying to improve my memory, because over the years it declined for I think I know the reasons, for numerous reasons, which I will not discuss right now, but maybe at a later time. But so I want to improve my memory, and so I'm starting to memorize poems that I used to know by heart in the past, but have forgotten since. So I'm starting to remember these poems again, or at least try to. That's just one way of going inside myself, and it's also by doing that, I'm going to help to improve my brain functioning, just by cutting off a little bit of the media, But that's just a little tidbit that I felt compelled to come on and share while driving, which may seem unsafe to some, but my mind is at most comfort when I am multitasking and very stimulated. I always tell people that I think the most comfortable position that I have had as a young social worker was in the emergency room. That was my most comfortable internship position. I need lots of stimulation. But anyway, I bid you love, joy, and happiness. Until next time. Bye.